$1,900. It's the biggest giveaway I've ever done, and I'm super pumped to give it to you guys. And I gotta tell you, well, welcome. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Ridingfish, and I do motorcycle content 99% of the time. Man, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it is like November 28th or something, and here in Minnesota the ice is melting. It's 43 degrees. It's the last 40-degree day I've actually seen in the forecast. So I wanted to roll the bike out, show it off. Wanted to talk about a couple of things. I want to talk about this sweet, amazing TNA carbon fiber that I have all over this bike. And as you see, I have some tools right here. I'm going to do one, I think it might be my last thing, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm going to do one more TNA item. I'm going to show you guys what that is. And you know what I haven't talked about? I haven't talked about weight savings. So, I got these. This is the stock front fender and the stock rear fender. Ah, dang, I need to stretch before I pick those up. But I'm gonna weigh those. I'm gonna show you guys those. I'm gonna talk about a couple more. Wait, hang on. This is another front fender. If I already have that one, what am I gonna do with this one? 'Tis the season, baby. Just hang on tight. Take it away for a second. Shoot. Ain't nobody trying to really. First of all, I need to get some sunglasses on. Sunny? Oh, that's a good problem to have. I don't know what to call this. A tank cover, I think. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can show you guys without it being too much in the shadow. Just look at the quality. I'm so excited for this. I should probably weigh this, but this is going to replace this one. So maybe that's what I'll do. Let me weigh these. Then I'm going to take that one off. I'll weigh that one. And I'm just checking it out. Like, it's the first time I've really got to examine this and see the differences. And look at the shadow. And you know, it's a good problem to have, a little extra sun. Oh, I need a studio. I'm working on that. You guys will be surprised. But all right, carbon fiber, yeah, coming up next. Let's install this bad boy. So. Nice, that was easy. So definitely. There we go. It's a little bit funky. I wonder, there's a screw here. I wonder if oh, I think that's much better. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I did real quick. It was super simple. So when I first put this on, I felt like it had a little bit too much play. So I did two things. One is I took the rubber grommet off the stock one, and then also this bolt here, I tightened it up. I made less space. The reason why I did that is I just felt like it wasn't like wedged. And the way this bolt works is there's a spot in the front that it slides into. And see if I can show you guys real quick. Get out of the sun a little. So right here, this little slot here. So tightening down that bolt, I was able to create a little bit of a tighter fit. Now that we can see that, so I have it here. So I took the weather stripping off, put it on here. Honestly, just so like if there is any movement, it won't scratch anything. Then this just flies forward. It wedges back right into that little spot. This just goes, the screw goes in here, tightens down. I mean, but you can see it's not moving, like a little bit, but I need to tighten this down just a little bit more. Yeah, now the whole bike's moving. Yeah, I like it. I think it looks really good, and I'm happy with that, actually. Look at that. Look how beautiful the carbon fiber is. This bolt here, I'm gonna bring up something to you guys real quick. This bolt here, some people are covering them. Indian Motorcycle just came up with a little cover themselves, so I think I'm gonna probably buy that when it's in stock. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think it looks good. The carbon fiber rear fender. Look at that. We got the carbon fiber bag guards. Carbon fiber V covers. Carbon fiber front fender. Oh my gosh, look at this bike. Look at this bike. Oh, I literally can't get over how good she looks. Alright guys, so I gotta tell you, TNA has made all the carbon fiber, everything from the back guards to the rear fender to the V covers to the tank. Oh, I don't know what this would be called actually. The tank cover or something. And even the front fender. So I started trying to wipe this down. This bike is, man, I was riding in the rain the other day and it is very noticeable. I know TNA is coming out with some other stuff. They're coming out with, I think even like a whole front fairing.
Wow, what an epic fail moment. Let me talk about what they actually are coming out with. On top of the fairing, they have two different kinds of rear fenders, two different kinds of front fenders, saddlebags, saddlebag lids, speaker lids for those saddlebags. Those are just a few things on top of all the things that I have that I forgot to mention in the moment.
You know, they have like the stage 1 intake carbon, which I just don't have a stage 1, so I don't even have that. Oh, but man, my bike's looking so good. I've never been in love with a bike like I'm in love with this. I mean, if you don't know, I have have the big bore kit in here. I have, I mean, so much stuff. Like, I have the headlight. You got to go back on the channel, check out some of the things I've done to Candy. Yeah, even so, carbon fiber is a whole theme for me. So even my Saddleman carbon fiber seat, that is not by TNA, but that being said, it is carbon fiber regardless. Speaking of carbon fiber, I told you guys to hang tight. So check it out. Look at this beautiful carbon fiber rear fender that I have. I'm gonna give this away. Would it even be giving season if you gave only one thing away? Okay, so this one is still all wrapped up, so I'm not gonna unwrap it, but it is the sport fender, front fender.
Holy crap, so it's crazy. Oh shit. Got a camera right here. Guys, it's crazy. I'm not sure what happened to me that day. I had a little bit of audio issue. It started getting windy and I was shooting outside. And then I just completely forgot to talk about the giveaway and the details of the giveaway and how much weight savings I got. So let's talk about that. The details. The winner's gonna get one front sport fender and a low mount license plate, rear fender. That's the same fender that I have. Just so you know, you're gonna need to figure out something about blinkers. I know Forever Red has some options. I think Blackout Industries has options. I did Ride Culture and I eliminated the stock blinkers. I ended up drilling a new hole for a license plate light. You know, it is what it is. That's how it worked out for me. Just, I'm trying to let you know up front before you just take your bike apart after you win it and then you realize, wow, I'm gonna have to drill all new holes for the blinkers and brake lights, or you need to have a game plan going into it. But it's not that hard. It's not a big deal. The front fender should be fairly easy. There was a couple like bolt holes that I had to enlarge to make them work and fit how they should. Nothing is really impossible. The quality looks so good that some of the like holes being a little too small, drilling them out a little bigger isn't that big of a deal. So I'm going to talk about the front fender, and I'm going to tell you the weight savings of my front fender, which is the full or the classic front fender. I saved 5.5 pounds from the stock to the carbon fiber. And you might be asking, well, why did I go with the classic look rather than the sport, which is what I'm giving you, which will be lighter than the classic? And the reason why is the classic allows you to have the headrest, and it was important for me to have that. I really like it. It's a highlight of the whole bike in my opinion. But so you're getting a sport fender, you're gonna like it. It looks really sleek. It's just bold. It's really awesome. Let's talk rear fender. From stock rear fender to carbon fiber rear fender, I saved 10 pounds just on that. And then the tank cover, stock tank cover to the carbon fiber tank cover, I saved 1.5, putting me at a savings $17. I saved 17 pounds. So kind of fun. The bag guards on the side, hinge guards or whatever they're called, I actually didn't weigh those, so I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure there's weight saving. I'm not sure, but if there is, I saved even more than 17 pounds. Okay, a rule. I'm only shipping this to the lower 48 states. Here's the deal. If you live out of the 48 states, I'm not shipping this. This is me in my house, and I got to ship it to you guys. That being said, I'm sorry to anybody not in the lower 48 states and my following overseas. You know, leave a comment. Tell me. Maybe I can line up something and we can start doing some giveaways overseas. But this one is going to be the 48 states. How are you going to win it? Okay, so you're going to go to my Instagram and you are going to make sure you like TNA Custom, and I'll put a link in the description. Like Ridingfish and leave a comment. And when your comment should be whatever you want, referencing this video. If you think I'm crazy, what do you like about it? You literally could put anything. Yeah, but you have to like both. And this is the picture that we're going to put on. It's probably right here. This is the picture that I'm going to ask you guys to go to Instagram and do. Do me a favor, and then I'm going to just pick somebody random. I'm going to take all the names. I'm going to pick them completely random. If you win this and you want to get a ride culture and you kind of want to rock out how I have mine set up right here, it is on ridingfish.com, and under the shop section, I sell all of that. Also, TNA does have ride culture there also. So go to their website, check them out. The Ridingfish 15 discount code. Let's talk about that. It's been going for a little while now. It is going away. You can't always have a discount code 24/7, so that's getting ready to go out. So if you don't win, unfortunately, you can go in and buy some carbon fiber with my discount code and enjoy it. If you do win and you want to add more to it, you better hurry. So today is probably, you might be seeing this around the 11th. I'm going to pick a winner around the 18th, which will give you a week to make sure you guys go and win this. I mean, the valuation of this is $1,900. It's the biggest giveaway I've ever done, and I'm super pumped to give it to you guys. And I gotta tell you, we have to support a business like TNA Custom. They're full swinging into Indian motorcycle. People ride culture, full sending into Indian motorcycle. And we have to support those guys so we all push each other. Yeah, that's it. We just want badass bikes, right? And that's it, guys. So that's how you're going to win. You're going to go to my Instagram. You're going to like the video that has this picture. You're going to comment on it, and then make sure you like TNA page also, and I will pick a winner at random. You guys know that it wasn't that long ago I gave a 509 carbon fiber and white helmet to a guy in Washington, I think it was. So you guys, I need you to do this. Make sure you're subscribing to the YouTube channel, and of course on my website. If you have an email list, you have already received heads up about this giveaway. So I'm gonna end this like I always do. Ride hard, ride fast, and say hi to somebody you don't know. Peace.